Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today we're diving into one of the most mind-blowing innovations in luxury travel, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. When you think of Bugatti, the first things that come to mind are speed, performance, and world-class engineering. But this time, Bugatti has decided to enter the world of luxury motorhomes, and the result is something that feels straight out of the future. This is not just a motorhome, it's an ultra-luxury, high-performance mansion on wheels. Let's explore every detail from its bold exterior to its futuristic interior, performance capabilities, and price range. At first glance, the exterior design of the Bugatti Motorhome 2026 is nothing short of breathtaking. Inspired by the sleek lines of the Chiron, the body has a dynamic and aerodynamic silhouette that looks more like a hypercar than a traditional RV. The front fascia carries Bugatti's signature horseshoe grille, but it's been reimagined with a larger, bolder presence to suit the massive proportions of a motorhome. Slim laser headlights give it a futuristic edge, and the entire body is sculpted with lightweight carbon fiber to reduce weight while maintaining immense strength. The two-tone paint schemes, a Bugatti trademark, have been carried over, allowing buyers to customize their motorhome in signature shades like French racing blue paired with jet black, or even fully bespoke finishes. At nearly 40 feet long, it's a commanding presence on the road, but with its aerodynamic profile, it still manages to look elegant and sporty. The wheels are massive, with 24-inch forged alloys featuring the iconic Bugatti emblem at the center, and even the air intakes and vents are designed to blend beauty with function, keeping the powerhouse engine cool and efficient. Stepping inside, the interior is nothing short of a five-star palace. Bugatti has taken the opulence of its hypercars and expanded it into a mobile living space that combines luxury, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. The cabin is wrapped in the finest leathers, Alcantara and carbon fiber accents, with ambient lighting that changes color depending on your mood. The cockpit area for the driver is unlike anything you've seen in a motorhome, with a fully digital curved display that integrates navigation, vehicle status, and entertainment seamlessly. Even the steering wheel is inspired by the Chiron, giving you a sporty feel while controlling such a massive machine. The living quarters are truly next level. There's a spacious lounge area with reclining seats that can convert into beds, a smart dining space with extendable tables, and panoramic windows that fill the interior with natural light. The kitchen is fully equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, including a smart fridge, induction cooktop, and even a voice-controlled coffee maker. The master bedroom features a king-size bed with memory foam mattresses, climate control, and a retractable OLED screen for immersive entertainment. The bathroom doesn't feel like one from a typical motorhome. It's more like a luxury spa, with a rainfall shower, marble-style finishes, and even heated floors. Bugatti hasn't just built a motorhome. They've created a rolling penthouse that makes no compromises on comfort. Performance is where Bugatti truly sets itself apart. While most motorhomes struggle with power, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome comes with a hybrid drivetrain that pairs a quad-turbocharged W16 engine with electric motors for an output of over 1,800 horsepower. This allows the vehicle to accelerate far quicker than any RV in existence, with a 0 to 60 time of under 5 seconds, which is mind-blowing for a vehicle of this size. Top speed is electronically limited to ensure stability, but it still comfortably reaches around 155 miles per hour, making it the fastest motorhome in the world. The advanced all-wheel drive system, adaptive air suspension, and precision steering ensure smooth handling whether you're cruising highways or navigating tighter roads. Despite the raw power, Bugatti has also focused on efficiency by including regenerative braking and hybrid drive modes that allow for quieter, eco-friendly travel when needed. Of course, luxury and performance like this come at a staggering price. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is expected to start at around $5 million. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most futuristic luxury vehicles ever made, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to Car Explorer for more detailed reviews of the most exciting cars and motorhomes of the future.